guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. In today's video I have a Valentine's look for you guys. Romantic, girly, sexy at the same time. If you are a makeup girl and you are going on a date, and if he is not scared of you, or if he's not like, oh, that's too much makeup, then he's a keeper. Anyways, if you are curious how I create this look, then keep on watching. I'm actually super excited for this video because I'm feeling so much better than the last 2 weeks, and you can definitely see my mood is going up and I have so much more energy, and I just feel like, yes, so we need to film. Today I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look, and I'm not sure if people even celebrate Valentine's Day, or is that even a thing? Because me and my husband are together for 11.5 years, almost 11.5 years, and I wouldn't even know how to flirt anymore. Let me get my hair out of the way. But honestly, I feel like, I don't know, like, isn't it like super awkward to, oh my god, this hair is awkward. I just feel like it would be like so awkward to go on a first date, and I'm just so happy that I don't have to do that anymore, because, you know, like, I don't know, it would be awkward. I'm going to start with the Farsali serum in Unicorn Essence. This smells so good. Like that. By the way, I have a very weird habit. I didn't even know that it was weird until my husband said, why are you doing that? But there was this day where I was like watching random YouTube videos. I watched so many different videos of celebrities singing the national anthem, and for some reason ever since, and it's like a year ago, the song is stuck in my head, and I'm not even American. I don't even know what I sing, but I'm just like, oh, say, can you see? And my husband were like, why are you keep singing that? But and I was like, yeah, why do I? I have no idea. For foundation, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Golden Beige, because I have a little bit of a tan, which I'm so proud of. And on top of that, I'm going in with the Teint Couture Balm from Givenchy. And this is a beautiful, I wouldn't really say it's a foundation. It's a very sheer foundation, but it's so blurring and glowy and thick, hydrating. It's so beautiful. I love this one to mix with my other foundations. So I'm just mixing these two. Taking my damp beauty blender, I am going in. So if I had a date on Valentine's Day, I would just go in and just, you know, do whatever I want to do with my makeup, do whatever I want to do with my hair. And, you know, some girls say, oh my God, no, because he's going to be scared, or you're going to look like you've put in so much effort, and you kind of like come across so desperate. And I'm like, excuse me, but if he's going to be scared by the amount of makeup that I have, or how I dress, or how I talk, or how I look like, no, we don't have time for that. I'm like, thank you, next, you know? And also another thing, like, what do you do if your date is a complete disaster? Like, I don't know, do you say like, excuse me, I need to use the bathroom, or, and then you just sneak out? Or, I mean, like, how does that work? Oh my God, it would be so awkward. Obviously, I still can't put foundation on my ear because, you know, because of the piercings. Can't wait for those to be healed, because I want to use other piercings. So if you guys know a good web shop, please let me know, because I want to order some. I think that looks quite good. Even though I've put on quite a lot, it still really looks like skin to me. Now I'm going in with the Armani corrector in number 2. This is my favorite corrector ever. And also just a bit with my sponge. I'm also going to use my Born This Way concealer in medium 10. The shade is quite darker than I expected it to be. I like to be a little lighter underneath my eyes, you guys know that. So I'm going in with a Fenty Beauty in 190. So I'm also highlighting my forehead, my nose. Before I'm going to powder anything, I'm going to cream contour my face using Laura Mercier Flawless Contouring Palette, something on my lip, this one. Using my Zoeva Petite Face Finish brush. I love this brush. Look at that, that looks good. What so proudly we hail at the twilight. So I know this looks a bit ashy, but we are going in with a warm bronzer in a second. First, I'm going to bake with banana bread from Huda Beauty. So now I'm taking a little bit of the Huda Beauty in, what was it, pound cake? Pound cake. And I'm going to set my concealer with this. I'm just setting it, not really baking it. So once this is set, I am going to bake because I want to have a bright under eye. Not too bright, but you know, just a little bright. Okay. Thought I had always shone, but it wasn't a match. Going in with my NYX Professional Makeup Brush. It looks dirty, but it's actually not because I cleaned it not long ago. And I'm going to use my MAC Give Me Sun to warm up the bronzer because we don't want to look ashy. So whatever is left on my beauty blender, I'm just going to powder my forehead. And I'm also going to get rid of all the powder. Okay, I look super matte and I didn't want that, but I'm going to fix that in a second. For highlighter, I'm going to use Artist Couture in Glow Money, which is a really nice golden highlight. And then with the same brush, which I haven't even mentioned, it's Makeup Addiction Precision Highlighter Brush. Going in with Becca in collaboration with Chloe and Malika? Yeah. In Chloe and Malika, I'm going to use this blush together with this one. Now I'm going in with my Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. And with my MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to do my brows real quick off camera. I'll be right back because we are going to use a palette that I think everyone likes and everyone's like, use that palette again. So stay tuned. So as you can see, you are zoomed in, my brows are done, and the palette that I was talking about is Born to Run from Urban Decay. And I did a tutorial with this, it was in collab with Urban Decay, and you guys were into that look. It was quite a bit of an edgy look, so I was really surprised that a lot of people really liked it. I really love the palette, but I concentrated on this side of the palette, which is a little bit more cool tone. And now I'm going to concentrate on this side of the palette. I feel like a teacher on this side of the palette, which has more orangey and mauvey tones and pinky tones. I'm going to start with the color Riff, which is a beautiful brown color. And I'm going to use my Elixir brush in E02. Oh, it's so pigmented. I love it. And we are just going to blend this. So taking my Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush in 32, I am going to blend this so I don't have anything on my brush, just a clean brush to blend the edges. Same on the other side. After that, I'm taking my taper blending brush, right? Yeah, from Urban Decay. I'm going in with, I don't know how to pronounce this orange color. And I'm going to put this into the crease. So like that. Okay, taking my Jaclyn Hill brush again, I'm going to blend this into the Riff color. Okay, I'm also taking a little bit of the Riff color to blend it with. Now I'm going in with Hell Ride, which is a beautiful color right there. And I'm going in with a Sigma Medium Sweeper brush. So I'm just going to press this first into the crease to make sure we don't have any fallout. We do have a tiny bit of fallout right there. I actually really love this palette. I think it's so versatile and you can create so many different looks with this palette. Taking my taper blending brush again, I'm going into the orange color and I'm going to blend this color. So same on the other side. I'm also going in with a tiny bit of Still Shot, which is a beautiful, where is it? Kind of like a peachy shade. And I'm using my Smoky Crease brush for this. Just a tiny bit. Like right there. like that, so everything looks a little bit more blended. Now I'm taking a flat brush. This is from BH Cosmetics in number 8. This is quite a big one, but this is good because we are going to do a halo eye by cutting the crease in the middle. I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm just going to cut it right there. So like that. I know this doesn't look really nice yet, but we are going to fix it because we are going in with Hellride again, this beautiful color. And we are going to darken up the edges, so right here. Going back to this orange color right here, going to place it next to the purple. And then in the center, I'm going to use this beautiful color. I mean, look at this color. I think this is going to look amazing in the middle. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Moon Dust brush for this. Wow, I think that looks really good. I'm also going to use a little bit of this beautiful shimmery champagne color and apply this in the center as well to really make the center like really pop. Going back in with the orange color, I'm using it on my lower lid. Okay, since we are going to use a color on our lips, I know, super surprising, I'm not going to really make the under eyelid really dark. Also going in with Hellride again, just a little bit. On my waterline, I'm going to use Dose of Colors eyeliner in Romance, which is a beautiful orange color. Oh my god, that shade is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to use a little bit of this matte light color, which is called Breakaway, and I'm going to put this in my inner corners. Before I'm going to apply mascara and lashes, I'm going in with a very beautiful color lipstick, which is Stargazer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a bright pink. It's kind of like still soft pink, but it's like, it's not nude. So we'll see how it's going to look like. I think it's going to look amazing. And I'm going to use a Rush from lip pencil from Urban Decay. Now I'm going in with the lipstick. Oh wow. That color is so pretty. I really, really love this lip shade. I didn't really expect that I was going to love this, but I do. I'm going to put on some mascara and some lashes, and then I'll be right back to show you the end result, do some posing, get some Fix Plus in my face, and yeah, I'll be right back. Oh, say, can you see? And this is pretty much it for the look. I do feel like, I don't know, I still feel like it's wearable, but maybe it's me. I love the lip color. I just wish it was a tiny bit more of a softer pink, but I do love it, especially in summer. And I do like, I don't know, like these romantic orange pink colors. Although I don't have a date, I do think my husband is going to like this makeup though, because he loves colored lips and I'm not really the person for it. But anyways, I hope you guys like this look. Go get your man if you are going on a date. I hope, oh my god, make sure you have nothing on your teeth though. Really make sure. I hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on my other social channels, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.